How's it going, everyone? It's Swaggins Outdoors. We're at Tinker Creek again. We've been here a few times in a couple of videos, but this time it's a little bit warmer, so we got a little bit more species to get. They did stock this again yesterday with trout, but I did see some massive carp. I've seen some bluegill, some red eyes and stuff like that. We're gonna see what all we can catch today, and just try to get a video out before I gotta go to work here soon. So thought I'd wet a line for a little bit and get a video out for y'all. Is there anything in there or not? Haven't seen anything. Go ahead and swing over to the honey hole. Unless I can see any fish in here. There's something there. Small little guys. Yeah, a bunch of small little guys right there. Not nothing much big wise. I don't know how much more I can. Fish just jumped up right there. Little creek chubs, or I think that's what it is. Little creek chubs. If I had a night crawler, I could probably catch them. Didn't bring no night crawlers with me today. Ooh. I'll have to get back on the bank over here. See if any little perch is going to eat this thing. A little minnow following it. Nope. They got a bunch of little fish in here. Let's see where all these bass are at right now. Little creek chub hit it. He tried. I'm gonna swing down here to the deep end. I'm gonna have to get back up. I think the last time I came through, you could walk through there, but I mean, I might be able to walk through there. I ain't got my boots on today. We can try. We might be able to get around here. I'll get stuck with a thorn bush. Nope, there's a crane. Or maybe that's not a crane. It might be a. Let me know what kind of bird this is. Is it a duckbill? I'm not quite sure. Oh, I just got slammed. Huh? I just got slammed. Oh, really? Oh, you see him messing with it?
Yeah, I see him. we just kind of been goofing off. She hasn't been fishing for a long time, and we're just trying to get her back in. There's been a couple bites. There was a guy here before us. He had a couple bites.
Yeah, we caught a bunch here a couple months ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What's your bell? Really?
Anyway, well, we're gonna try to be working our way around people today. I can see that's gonna happen today because, like I said, they just stocked this yesterday. So fish jumped up right there, a little creek chub. But I'm gonna ease on my way on down along the river here. I know there's a big hole down here. I guarantee it's probably packed today, but we're gonna try it. Actually, hold up a minute. Let's see if this guy will eat something. This guy was sitting here chasing. Let's see if he'll come after this little minnow. I'm sitting there recording, the freaking fish is chasing minnows around. Came out of nowhere. I don't know where it went back to. Like I said, we're gonna keep moving. I'm kind of moving fast today just because I gotta go work here in a couple hours. So, but you know, let's get on to the other side. All right, I done made it to the other side. I was over there. We're gonna throw out here. Seen a couple fish move when I came up in here, but let's see what we can get. I'm fine catching a little perch today, or sunfish. See if we can get to chase this thing today. We did miss one trout already. Oh, there he comes. Oh, he went right by it. I just seen a trout. I don't know how well they're gonna see this line today either, because I'm using my bass pole. I was gonna do some bass fishing today, but the water's so low here in Virginia right now. Like Smith Mountain Lake is, you can't even get out on Smith Mountain Lake on some places right now because the water's so low. The boats are actually getting stuck on the bank. Work my way on down. I know there's one in here, but I think there's a snake going across the water up there. I have to make sure I watch that. That's right where I'm going too. Especially all this riprap. I have to watch out for snakes. I think he's over here actually. Yeah, I just found a honey hole. I just found a honey hole. There's like fucking 10 trout right here. I don't think none of them want it though. Yep, none of them want it. Alright, changing baits. If anything else fails, I do have power bait. I could just throw that up in there. But who knows, this fish might have been caught before. But they're not even showing any interest. Yeah, they're just moving away from it. Alright, well, we know them there. We know they're here. So let's walk on down. See if I can get something to bite on a on a minnow. And is, do I want to walk the wall, or do I want to rock the rocks? I might try the rocks and hug the wall as best as I can. Good thing about doing this in the winter, no green stuff. So I know I could probably catch one right here. If it's just getting down there to it. Might ease my way on up. So we got these new rooster tails. Let's see if he's in the camera. Yeah, so we got these new rooster tails. They got a little pathway in them. So what you do, you take you some, well, first you gotta get this open. Take you some of this powder bait. You stick it inside of it, like so. Pack it up in there on both sides. Just doesn't feel like normal power bait. Pack it up in there on both sides. Leave a little extra just in case. It's called a dough rider. I think that's what the name of it. But we'll try it out and see what happens here. Get y'all set up. I'm using a new chest rig today too. It's around my neck. It's not normally on where it normally is. So let's see what this thing will do. It's supposed to leave the scent. Oh yes, there's trout in there, buddy. They just came out. What I'm curious about is how well does that power do? Oh, that power bait stays in there pretty well. It's coated in both sides. They're over there. See if they want any damn power bait spinner. These fish were just put in here yesterday, so they might be a little fidgety. And also, a lot of people here, they catch them and they just release them. People really don't keep them anymore. I mean, there's people that do, but fish on. Let's see if I can get him up here without breaking the line. Nice rainbow trout. Let me get a picture of this guy. Nope, nope. Never mind. Didn't want to sit still for the camera. Nice first catch of the day. There's more over there. I know there's more in there. First catch on the dough rider. Power bait's gone. So we did get the power bait off of it. Another one, fish on. I'm hoping I'm getting all this in the camera. Come on, get up here. Yep. There's some active little buggies today, man. I don't know if I got that one on the camera or not. active fish today, man. I'm trying out this new, I don't know how well I like this new, this rooster tail right here has things in it. You put power bait in it.
Yeah, I got one just like it.
Yeah, and power bait don't stay in it very long.
No.
Yeah. So, I don't know. The power bait that comes with it isn't as gooey as what you get in the tubs.
Right.
So it's like a very soft power bait. I haven't tried any of the other like actual power bait. I just
I'll put something to peach in mine.
did you?
Put it in on it.
Yeah, the two I caught today were on this, but it might just because it's a damn spinner. Seen a bunch of small fish, but I ain't really seen anything besides trout. But anyway, y'all have good luck.
Yeah.
I'm gonna head on to work.
Sounds like fun.
Yeah, I'd rather be doing this. Alright, well, I'm back at the truck now. So at least we caught two. We missed one. I missed one little guy. That was a different species, but didn't really see much bass here and everything. There is a dam I might try to go to one day that's on up the river. But anyway, thank y'all for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.